Hello, this is All-Star Case Breaks with personal box breaks for Barfing Monkey with 3 contours, 2015-16. Do you want me to open one box at a time? Sure, I'll just do one at a time then. On bottom we have rookie Stefan Noason out of $3.99. Base. And your hit is Henrik Samuelsson, 87 of 199. Patch auto. Sorry, it's not focusing. I'll try to set it up further back. Pack number 2. Oh, red to 99. Oh, it's 99 of 99. Nikita Kucherov. I'm sorry, Taze. You're probably hating how I'm pronouncing these right now. There we go. Base, 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 and your hit is Fanatics, Lindsey Vaughn. A girl. I don't know. Oh, them lugs. I have no idea. She is, yeah. Skier. All right, on bottom base. Oh, rookie Radic autograph Faxa, numbered 61 of 499. And Eric Stahl, 132 of 499. Last pack in this box. On bottom we have /99 red Anze Kopitar. Got some base and your hit. Oh, you got Jonathan Tays. And your hit is Steve Mason. Show me some glove. All right, box number 2. Is there any one in particular that you're looking for? So you got base, 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 and a Contours rookie, Vincent Nostroza. 459 of 499. Behind that is Pavel Datsyuk. 437 of 499. So we got the rookie resume to 99. Shia Theodore. Pekka, Tyler, Claude, and your hit is Matt Puempel of the Senators. Looks like the edge is a little dinged up on the side. Sorry about that. I don't know. We got a to 499. Giroux. Base. The Glenn Hall for the Blackhawks. I don't think that's numbered. No. And your hit is Matt again to 199. Patch auto. This box seems like a matte box. We get something good out of this one. Got a rookie resume to 399. Stanislav Got base, 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 and your hit is Golden Glove, Henrik Lund. Henrik, yeah. Show me glove. Lundqvist. All right, last box. Good luck. I'll just put the card up to the screen so then you can type how I should say it. And then I'll say it. It's a big, that's just a dummy. So we got some base. You got the rookie resume auto of Phil D. What is that? And David Max. I think this is numbered as well. Nope, not numbered. Base. And your hit is Frederick Anderson. Show me some glove. And a rookie resume of Shane Prince to 399. I don't think this is numbered either. Here. We have Jonathan numbered to 499, number 3 of 499. Jonathan Huber. Base, and your autograph is Kevin Fiala. Go Preds. And last one. Good luck, man. Hope you get a big one. Shane Doan to 499. Anderson Lee. And your hit is, ooh, 6 of 10 Jumbo Fabric Claude Giroux. Has his number. 6 of 10. There you go. Thanks for watching.